300,000 yearly payout. Ano na naman yung sinasabi mo? This story that I will share, it's all about a cardiologist, single mom, who wants to secure the future of her daughter. Sakto, lumabas yung bagong plan dito sa Sun Life. It will give her a guaranteed payout yearly. I position this kind of plan na para ba siyang may kondo na kinuha, pinaparentahan, and earning 25,000 per month. That doctor became curious. Ano na naman yung sinasabi mo? So, I shared to her, Doc, if you have this plan, the future of your daughter will be secured already. Because by the time that she reach 13 years old, the 6th year of the policy, she will be getting a 300,000 yearly payout. And as long as she is living, tuloy-tuloy yung 300,000 na yon.